G'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. We are at our super private track right now. Heading out into this bushland, seeing what we can see. This should be a fun little time. So, with us, we've got Miss Jodie on her trials bike. We've got Mr. Reese on his KTM. And we've got Miss Amy, who you've never met before. And she's awesome and on a trials bike as well. And yeah, we'll see. The awesome Mr. Craig is here as well. He's just on a little buggy though. This is a super private track we're at here, and apparently there's some good little sort of tracks, little runs around the place. We're going to check it out and see what we can see. I think there's a bit of a motocross sort of track with some jumps and things, I think. A fair bit of debris around, isn't there? Here we go. Apparently we're off the main track and finding some gnarly stuff now. Cool, man. That's good. Nice. Oh, I love that. Nice little wrap there. I guess I'm going in. Nothing else for it. Man, there is a lot of tracks here. Hey, that's great. Okay, the trials ladies are gonna head down the back section, which is the tougher part. So we're gonna go and head down there with them and film a little bit. Hope you guys are loving all these cool camera angles too. It's a perfect place to do it. You know, we're set up here, got all the stuff and whatever, so I can just come back, set up a new camera angle, and yeah. So I guess this one's for you, Mr. Turbo Yoda. Something about their camera angles. Let's go. Up on the pegs, come on. We ready to help? Yeah, let's get in. You got it. Go, 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 go. Go Ames, go Ames. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was awesome. She just crawled up that. That's it. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Nice. Yeah. Am I grabbing? You got it. Yeah! Go, push, push. That's nice, you got that. Yee-hoo!
That was legitness.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, so while we're cruising back around to this section, subscriber shout out of the week is Bikes and Drones. Has an awesome channel from Vietnam, which is where I really want to go riding motorbikes one day for sure. So I've watched every single one of his videos and commented on every single one, and he's reciprocated, and he sort of, you know, enjoys my stuff as well, I guess. And thanks for your comments all the time, mate. Positive stuff all the time. I really appreciate it. If you'd like to be mentioned on the subscriber shout out of the week, just drop a comment below and let me know what you think about these videos, and let me know that you'd like to be one of the shout out people of the week. Cool. Let's keep riding. It's a bit different having this camera sitting right in my face though. It's quite distracting, I tell you that. Man, I am sweating. Like, I just have sweat running down. I've got my glasses on, just running down my glasses from my forehead. It's so hot in the bush here. So muggy. Mr. Control. Go Amy! Go! Go, go, go! Nice. Just cruised up it, huh? Go on, race! Go on! I don't know if you saw Mr. Reese, I was trying to give him a bit of a rip. Okay, so I got a little bit of a goal here to really nicely, smoothly land this tabletop here, this double. Nope. Second gear's a bit snappy. Try third. Yep. Third gear is where it's at. I've got my GoPro here that Reese is jumping over. I reckon he was close to hitting it then. Nice. Nice. Alright, Mr. Reese and I are going to hit this hard loop one more time. Oh, where's that back brake? Still getting used to these new boots a little bit, eh? Still miss that back brake every now and again. Oh. We're going again. Okay. Alright. Okay, woo! What an awesome end, hey? That's our video for today. Man, I really hope you guys enjoyed all the different camera angles and all the different stuff we did today, some motocross stuff and hills and whatever. That was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're watching this and you haven't hit the subscribe button, make sure you do that and hit the notification button as well so that you know when my videos come out every single week. Don't forget to drop a comment as well. I read and reply to every single one. If you'd like to buy me a beer, you guys know how much I work for these videos, so check out the link in the description below for that one. And yeah, share this one with your friends if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next ride.